Hey there, welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of numerology. In today's video, we're going to delve into the mystical meaning behind the number 8 and what it signifies in numerology. Firstly, let's talk about what numerology is all about. Numerology is the study of numbers and their significance in our lives. It's based on the belief that every number has its own unique vibration and energy, which can reveal valuable insights into our personality, life path, and destiny. The number 8 is considered to be one of the most powerful numbers in numerology. It's often associated with material abundance, success, and wealth. In fact, the number 8 is sometimes referred to as the money number because of its strong connection to financial prosperity. But there's more to the number 8 than just material success. It's also a number of balance and harmony, as the shape of the number itself is perfectly symmetrical. This symmetry symbolizes stability and strength, which can be beneficial in both personal and professional settings. People who have a strong affinity with the number 8 tend to be natural leaders, as they have a great sense of ambition and self-discipline. They are often driven by a desire for success and are willing to work hard to achieve their goals. However, it's important for them to remember to maintain balance in their lives and not let their pursuit of success consume them entirely. In numerology, the number 8 is also associated with the planet Saturn. Saturn is the planet of discipline, structure, and authority, and people who resonate with the number 8 tend to embody these qualities. They are often dependable and responsible individuals who value tradition and respect. It's worth noting that the number 8 can also have a negative side if it's not balanced properly. The pursuit of material success can sometimes lead to greed and arrogance, which can create problems in personal relationships and professional settings. It's important to remember that balance is key, and that material success should never come at the expense of our own well-being or the well-being of others. So, there you have it, a brief overview of the mystical meaning behind the number 8 in numerology. Whether you're a believer in the power of numbers or just curious about what they can reveal about ourselves and the world around us, we hope this video has been informative and interesting. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of numerology.